What's up, guys and girls? Opening up another mystery box. The Amazon. There's 24 boxes on a pallet. Comes out to $37.50 a pallet. $900 and $999 or $899. I forget. But anyways, it can have anything from shoes to clothes, toys, Xbox, food, coffee. Trying to just think, anything you can imagine. Found a razor. I'm going to open up the box and get going. The box is pretty full. First thing we have, I guess the balloons. A whole bunch of balloons. More balloons. These are different ones. The other one had animals on them, I think, or colorful. Another bag of balloons. Another bag of balloons. Let me see what this is. Looks like some kind of ink and photo paper. I don't know what that belongs to though. Then we got, I have no idea. Looks like, I don't know. You have to put it together. But I have no idea what this is yet. Next item. We have a few of these. These are the punchy things. Supposed to be good for stress. I don't know. Next item. We have K6 TWS earphones. AirPods or whatever. Factory sealed. Most of the stuff in here is brand new. Just returns or whatever. What is this? This is a Santa Claus, which is very heavy. There's no details to it. Huh. Again, I have no idea what this is for. Some kind of remote control for like a video game to go over it, plastic. And again, there's no information about it, so alright, what do we have here? This is a towel maybe for a baby. I really can't. They gotta make the writing better than it is. Next item. This is furniture pads. Factory sealed, so I don't want to open it up. I'll have to scan it later and see what it is. Alright. Next item. What is this? A manicure set. Three piece. We have lights. Star lights. Looks like it runs by battery. The things right there, the batteries in, I think. Brand new. Next item. Candy maker, cookie maker, whatever. I have one. It's cheap as candy though. Alright, next item. Let's go, Brandon. I have so many of these I can't give them away. Oh, there's some more. What's this? Workout gloves, new, black, in a size large. workout gloves. The dumbest things ever said or done by criminals. 2016 calendar. How this got in here, I don't know. But let's see if it's even been used. Nope, still brand new. Never been used. All right. What was I? Oh, so brand new. Brand new, but it's old. What do we have? A gnome. Winter gnome, Christmas gnome, I don't know. I think I had one of these yesterday. All right, next item. What's this? This is open. Oh, toothpaste. Colgate. And there's 4 of them. There's 4 in a box. I don't know if you can see that. And that makes 4 with the Minions. Let me see when they expire. Oh, December 2022. All right, so they're good for a few months. And if you want to buy anything, if you're on my store, my eBay store, there'll be a link on the bottom of this video. Also, like the video, share the video. What do we have? This is, I don't know. Oh, I think I had these before too. They're, I don't know what you call them. Chemistry things. So there's 2 of them in the box. And I can't even get it back in here. I got it. Alright, so that takes care of that. Next item. What the hell is... I have no idea what this is. We have a few more items left. We have 3 watch bands. They're for iPhones or i-something. But anyways, yeah, the watch bands. This... Oh, it's already open, so I can just... Oh. 2 of them. I don't know what you'd call them. For stereo headphones. I can't even read that. I have to scan all this stuff after on the Amazon website to find out what all this stuff is. See, it doesn't even say anything on there except the barcode number. Oh. This is, I had these before. This is a collar for a dog, metal collar. With a, I guess it's 2 collars there, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, metal collar. Alright, this item... Oh, it says made with love. 5,000 stickers. Made with love. Dig deep. I don't know what this is. Maybe another balloon. Doesn't say nothing on it though. Nothing at all. We have some Rayo optical glasses. And there's 2 of them in there. Let's see what they look like. Probably granny glasses or something. No, it's brand new. They're still in the package even. So, 2 of them. Next item, we have a Christmas tree. No, A Christmas train set, built in 22 pieces. Let's see. Oh, nice. Look at that. Doesn't even look like it's ever been used. Brand new. Must take batteries because I don't see any electrical wires or anything. Alright, we got food. Cranberry almond kind. Expiration date. I can't tell. But anyways, here's the expiration date. December of 2022. So, last thing is 5 of these insulation gowns. There's 4 in this box and 1 was on top. So insulation gown, they're blue. There's 10 to a bag. That means there's 50 of them. Anything in? If you see anything you like and you want to buy, check out the eBay store. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like it, share it, hit the bell icon, whatever else you got to do. See you next time.